Every month we host about 25 friends over here for dinner, and the way that we accommodate that many people has been by purchasing this 8-foot Costco table. What's wonderful about this table is that when we are not using it, we have it folded and stored away in our attic, so it doesn't really take up any space on a regular basis in our home. The legs on it here, you'll see these fold up, and then it does fold right here in the middle, and it's got a handle. You can see over there, it's got a handle where when it's folded up, you can easily carry it around to store it away anywhere you need to. Because we loved that first table so much, we invested in a second one. As you can see, it just fits great out here in this little sunroom. This is where we put all the kids at mealtime. As you can see, 8 easily fit on this table, and if we added a chair at each end, we could actually fit 10 around this table. Before purchasing these 8-foot tables, we just weren't really sure how we were going to host this many people at our home, but we were so happy to find these on Amazon, and they have really been the solution to the problem. And it's so fun to be able to open up our home to all of our friends and be able to have a space for everyone. So if you're in the market for a large table to be able to host your friends or your next party, I highly recommend these 8-foot tables from Costco.